$225 messages.
Hey, where are we meeting tomorrow? What time?
Hey, everyone go watch the cat video just it's so cute.
Do you all know when our report is due?
I'm so hungry right now.
We haven't decided where to meet tomorrow.
Do you all know who's doing the report? Do you know who's going to do
When
the
are we doing
interview?
the interview?
You guys should chill. Watch the cat.
Too many WhatsApp messages.
This is you. And these are your 4 addictions to technology. You never knew tweeting at least 10 times a day about everything you do was something you needed.
Oh no, why is it raining? The rain stopped. Weird. Weird weather. Hashtag rainy. Hashtag sunny.
That's right. Your Twitter followers are simply dying to know your every move. Twitter keeps you occupied during these daily mundane activities. It helps you stay well informed so that you're acutely aware of everything happening around you, never missing a thing.
Buses are so slow. Not a single one is arriving.
Yup, acutely aware, never missing a thing. Time for brunch with your best friend. Ugh, you can never understand how people can just start eating without Instagramming their food first. What's the point of going to a nice indie cafe without photographic evidence? Plus, this Eggs Benedict would look great on Instagram.
Breakfast with the best friend. Hashtag food porn. Hashtag expen.
And now to document the rest of the cafe. You love how Instagram's filters make everything look artistic, such as this wind chime. Whoa, she finished her meal? That was fast. Oh well. Okay, brunch was nice. Now for some time with your beloved dog.
Good boy, Jasper.
Oh, it's time to visit your cute virtual kitten. You love how you can dress the kitten in pretty outfits and play with it.
Jasper is too needy. Okay.
Alright, time to get down to some work. You have an essay to complete.
And social media bring about benefits such as...
Wait, you can't start without some music. Ah, that's better. You decide to check out a video your friend told you about. You don't even realize you've been sucked into the addictive world of YouTube until it's too late.
What? It's 3 a.m. already. Oh no.
You decide to go to sleep and promise yourself to be more productive tomorrow. After all, there's plenty of time. Oh, but who are you kidding? Everything will just repeat itself. Before every meal, stack your phones to the side so you can have some real conversation with each other. Also, challenge your friends to unplug and post it on our Facebook page.